Sources say Nitish Kumar had said no delay in government formation. Nitish said form government as soon as possible. Shiv Sena, the Eknath Shinde faction, gives the letter of support to the NDA. It seems it was Nitish Kumar who said there shouldn't be any delay in government formation. It should happen at the earliest. The nitty-gritties, the granular details, the cabinet berths, who gets what should be decided later. This was mooted by Nitish Kumar. Those visuals that you see on your television screen coming in, Shiv Sena has also given the letter of support to the NDA. A decision has been made that it is going to be the Prime Minister Modi, now designate Prime Minister Modi, who would be leading the charge for the NDA 3.0. The NDA government now coming in under Modi 3.0. All right, so that's the inside detail coming in. That meeting just concluded at the Prime Minister's residence, the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. It was a short meeting. Not much was discussed. The details of cabinet expansion on how will each ally be accommodated, all of that has been left for later. Discussions will be taking place in great detail with Amit Shah as well as JP Nadda. That's for later. Nitish Kumar at first booted that there shouldn't be any delay in government, in staking claim in government formation. That should happen at the earliest, and the rest later. My colleague Piyush joining me for more details. Piyush, quickly get us up to speed. What are the inside details on what really went down? Was it just a meeting which was short to get a basic understanding that from here on the NDA will move to stake claim under the leadership of designate Prime Minister Modi, and leaving the granular details of who gets what berth for later?
Well, certainly what we are now learning is that a message has been given by Nitish Kumar to Prime Minister Modi that JDU is very much with PM Modi and with NDA and will support the BJP in forming the government. A strong message has been sent out by Nitish Kumar that we should not do any kind of delay. We should form the government as soon as possible. In Hindi, he said, Jaldi kijiye. So that's the message which has been given by Nitish Kumar to Prime Minister Modi. And what we are also given to understand is that Chandrababu Naidu has sought important portfolios. Sources are telling us that the Chandrababu Naidu's TDP has in fact started bargaining. TDP is all likely to ask the Lok Sabha Speaker's post and 3 big portfolios in NDA cabinet when it is formed. So that's what we are learning, is that a message has been sent out by the leaders of NDA, be it about Chandrababu Naidu or Nitish Kumar, that they are with BJP, they are standing with NDA, and government should be formed as soon as possible. Nitish Kumar has told to Prime Minister in India meeting, according to our sources, he said that we should not do any kind of delay and the government should be formed as soon as possible. And this has come at a time when there is a panel meeting which is right now underway at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, where the leaders are reaching of India Alliance. Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, they have already reached. So we can expect hectic parleys to take place there also. But before that, the NDA meeting took place. It has now been concluded. The leaders of NDA, like Nitish Kumar, Chandrababu Naidu, have now moved back to their respective residences, and we can expect, the entire NDA and the leaders of NDA to move to President House, and then we can expect the proposal of formation of government be given to President of India. We already have the letter of support which Eknath Shinde has given to BJP President JP Nadda, where he has mentioned that he extends his complete support. So there is a complete support coming in from Shiv Sena, from JDU, from Chandrababu Naidu. So there will be no problem in forming the government, and either today or by tomorrow we can expect NDA leaders to go to President House and propose the formation of Modi 3.0.
What's the delay, Piyush? Why not today? Earlier on, word was that the NDA leaders will be going into the president to stake claim. What's the delay?
Well, we can expect that the moment they get a time from President's office, they will be moving. But today there is a dinner also which President is going to host for all the Council of Ministers of Modi 2.2, and that's the normal procedure that is followed whenever the new government is also to be formed, and we can see that dinner taking place where the leaders of India can also go. So there could be some off-record discussions also take place there at President House, and then we will expect a time to be given by President where all the leaders, all the constituents of NDA then move to President, and then they will put forth the proposal of formation of government. But a clear message has been sent out by Nitish Kumar to Narendra Modi, PM-elect Narendra Modi, that there should be no delay in formation of government, and that should be done as soon as possible. And this message is coming at a time when we also saw the statements of the opposition leaders like Sanjay Raut, Uddhav Thackeray yesterday also said that Chandrababu Naidu is in touch with us. Then we have other Congress leaders, Jairam Ramesh and others who have been in fact claiming that we are in touch with other leaders, and sources that also told us that India Alliance leaders wanted to have a word with Chandrababu Naidu. In fact, they also sent feelers to him. So among all these developments, a message is being sent out by the other India allies to BJP that formation of government should take place as soon as possible, and as and when they get a time from President office, we can see them moving to the President House and putting forth the proposal of formation of the next government.